do we put this off the black market, G?
Government said not to cut down this tree. We're gonna cut it anyway, sell it to black market. What are we doing here? What do people think they're doing? Hey, what's up, guys? Don't they know that this stuff can kill? Put this in a rubbish bin. Yeah.
Oh, that was nice.
Oh no! Don't you know that when this stuff goes out to the ocean, it kills fish?
Environmental impacts. I'll put it away in the recycling bin.
Want some Sprite? Don't you care about the environment? Who cares here? What's gonna go wrong, eh? This is polluting our country. It's got water in it. Compared to all the other countries with plastic on the beaches and the ocean, biodegradable. It can't go away. Well, I don't care. Okay? Why don't you care?
We all don't care. Yeah.
So if there's plastic is in our ocean, then fish, marine life eats this, and soon we'll be eating this as well. We don't care about marine life. Think about it, guys.
Don't eat fish then.
Yeah, there's heaps of animals. What about pollution? People burn this stuff just to get rid of it, and then that contributes to global warming. Not my problem. And then what about the air? If you inhale the air, you might get cancer. Look at India, China, and all that. They have bad air pollution. And they have to wear masks. It's like the equivalent of smoking 200 cigarettes a day.
Soon we'll turn into one of those countries.
Like I said, I don't care, and neither do these guys.
So you don't care about dying?
Nah, I don't care as long as we don't die. I'm sorry. You see this bottle? It's bad.
It's a party tonight.
Party tonight. This world was a beautiful place until this change came and blew everything away.
Push the button, push the button.
Please like and subscribe to World Peace Studios.